Hello my classics and welcome back. I am actually going to test out an item today that's not makeup, but it is an accessory. My kids just destroyed the box, so it's gone. But it's like this dupe, like almost like one of those, you know, it's a $7 face cleansing thingy that I got at Walmart. Now I've seen a lot of people use the expensive version of this, you know, $70, $80. Got it at Ulta or Sephora or could only get it online. And I'm like, I'm on a budget. I am in my pajamas because it's the end of the day. I'm getting ready to go to bed. So the face has to come off, which by the way, today's face turned out pretty neat, except that once again on the same eye I blinked when I was filling in the inner corner, so I got this like there. It's like that one moment where, you know, like you see the person painting very carefully, retouching the masterpiece, and suddenly somebody sneezes and he goes, ugh. Well, Adam's peeing. So it came with like this one is like a, you know, the head is different, it's colored different than this one. This one is a lot softer. This one's not harsh. It's really soft. I've been doing this a lot. And this did not come with batteries. I don't know what brand it is. I found it right in the same area as the makeup brushes and stuff at my Walmart. It was like $7.90 some odd cents. So I decided I thought I'd try it out. I also... See, we all know I use salicylic acid or 2% salicylic acid face wash every day. But once a week, I like to exfoliate. And I use this deep clarifying exfoliating scrub. But I buy the generic brand of it, even though it's the exact same as the clean and clear version of it. It's no different. It just doesn't even feel different. It feels the exact same. So I'm gonna real quickly, I know that this thing is not meant to actually remove makeup, so I'm gonna wipe my makeup off, but I know that you always need to wash your face after you do that because these are not an actual face wash. These are just, let's take off the 7 layers of hell. Normally I use a washcloth to wash my face with. I have a feeling that my washcloth is going to be necessary. So I've never used a product like this before. I don't even know how to use it because like I said, my kids completely annihilated the packaging. It's gone. I'm going to wet my face real quickly, just kind of like, and I'm going to rub this all over my face. Then I'm going to use that and I'm going to see if that works. Hang on. Yes? Oh my gosh, this stuff smells so good. And it's cooling too. I went ahead and got the bristles wet, so let's just go ahead and Alright, so maybe something that's exfoliating wasn't a good idea for this, but this is an interesting look. Hair clustered all over the place. I'm gonna just rinse it off. Let's see. I think that all it did was like irritate the crap out of me, but actually my skin feels pretty good after that. I'd say that this thing at $7 is not a bad price. And just so you know, I get this stuff at Walmart for like $3, so it was $3.47. This one was $3.47. And this stuff that I already used too, the also generic brand, Walmart brand Equate, also about less than $4. Whereas its equivalent is like $7, and it's like, I've tried both the brand name of each of these and the generic brand, and I gotta say, there is no difference. That's my personal opinion of it. Now I'm going to go moisturize like a vixen and go off to dreamland. One more little thing. If you want me to try anything specific, any drugstore makeup or anything like that, drop a comment down below and I'll hop right to it. Also, I do still do some nail stuff. I goof around with my nails all the time. I actually did my own fill-in, so I'm learning how to do that in gel. I used builder's gel though, a little different than using like an acrylic powder to liquid ratio because it was a gel. But anyway, if you want me to try something, whether it be a design, a recipe, a makeup item, a cosmetic accessory item, let me know. I'll do it. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and show me that you love me. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and make that bell ring loud and proud so you know when I post, because I'm posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Bye, see you, love you, always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone dull your sparkling. Remember, do it with passion or not at all. Have a great one. I'm going home. I'll never stop. Hey, Ma.